Hey, Dan Passarelli here. Well, the S&P 500, man, I'll tell you what, it was up 0.8% again today in just a massive, massive drive over the past couple of months here, past 3 months here. And the question is, how high will the market go? Is this a race to 5,000 for the S&P 500? Well, maybe it is. Here's the SPY, which is 10% of that much, sitting at 491.27 on a pretty good, strong candle today. We were looking at this in class earlier in total earnings domination. You just look at this last hour of the day here. And we just had a massive, massive push in the last hour of the day. I didn't see any particular news coming out indicating anything on that, but that's what happened. And if we go back here to the 6-month chart, there's a couple of interesting things to look at here. For one, from an RSI standpoint, we do have a divergence, a series of divergences, which is very, very strange and uncommon, where we have a higher high in the market, higher high in the market, higher high in the market, where we have a lower high on RSI, lower high on RSI. I guess this one's a little higher than the last one, but still. Typically, when we see the RSI line cross from above the 70 line to below the 70 line, we tend to see some follow through, but we're not seeing that right now. Another thing to note is that the PE ratio is sitting somewhere around 23 or something right now, which is not massively high by any stretch of the imagination. It's maybe a little bit loftier, but it's not massively high. And that's because of earnings, because companies keep grinding out more earnings. So is it really overbought? Is it really overpriced? Well, not necessarily, and this could very well be a race to 5,000. Hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.